I'm Anil Kumar. Here is a very interesting question on slopes application. The question here is, the coordinates of two vertices of a square are 0, 2 and 4, 6. Find the possible coordinates of other two vertices. Let me sketch this and then explain you the question. So what we have here is two vertices. One is 0, 2, let's just say, 0, 2 will be somewhere here, and 4, 6, so 4 and 6, let us say somewhere there, right? So we have these two vertices. If I join them, that forms one side of a square. So we have this as 0, 2 and the other as 4, 6. We need to find the other vertices of the square. So we could make a square kind of like this. Do you see that? Which will be right angle. So that could be one possible square, correct? So we could make something like this. Or we could also make one square on the other side, right? So you could also make a square on this side of this line, correct? So we could also make something like this. So these are definitely two possible situations. Now how to find the coordinates of these points? That is the question for you. So I hope you have understood. So you can pause the video and answer the question. Now the strategy here is, the slope of the other side, adjacent side, will be negative reciprocal of this slope, right? So we know the corners are right angles. So we have right angles or perpendicular sides. This is one thing. Plus we also know that all sides are equal in length, right? Now let us find the slope of the segment given to us. Slope m will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 0. That gives us 4 over 4, slope of 1. Now this line, which is perpendicular to the given segment, will have a slope of negative 1, right? Negative 1. So we know that the slope is going to be negative 1. Now as you see here, when we say slope of 1, if I move from point, let's say point A to point B, I'm going up by 4 and right by 4, right? So that's the movement. So when I have a slope of minus 1, I can go up by 4. And instead of moving right, we can move left by 4. So if I do that, we get negative slope, right? So what we will do here is, beginning from 0, 2, we'll move 4 up, right? 4 up and 4 left. So if we do that, where will we reach? We'll reach at one of the points of the square. 4 up means the y value increases by 4. 4 left means x value decreases by 4. So that will give us minus 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6 as this coordinate. Do you see that point? Same thing will apply to the second point, which is 4, 6, right? So we are going 4 up and 4 left. So up means add 4 to 6, which is 10. And left means take away 4 from 4, which is 0. So one set of points are these, right? So these are one set of points. So that is one solution, right? So we have set 1, right? Now let's do set 2. To find the second set of points, we can move this time 4 down and 4 right. Earlier we were going 4 up and 4 right. Now we should go 4 down and 4 right. So starting with 0, 2, we need to go 4 down, let me write down, and 4 right. That really means that the y value will be decreased by 4. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 4 right means add 4 to x value, right? Starting with the point 4, 6. 4 down and 4 right means y value decreased by 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. And the x value increased by 4, we get 8, correct? So that becomes the second set of points. So now we can write down our answer as the coordinates could be minus 4, 6 and 0, 10, or the second set could be 4, minus 2 and 8, 2. So that is how you can actually answer this question. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.